Hi everybody. So I recently got one of these iconic Steinberger basses. Everybody knows it. Look like this. And well, Steinberger did a good job in creating features like this foldable backrest here, which keeps the instrument balanced on your leg when playing seated. But they never managed to create some proper attachment points for the strap. So the instrument would also always hang a bit out of balance in front of you, not relaxed to play. And in the aftermarket there have been accessories available for some time which address this problem, but I cannot find them anymore, and they seem to be out of production and sold out everywhere. So yeah, there are a few do-it-yourself solutions on YouTube, some of them using, for example, the tool spanner, which is to be screwed to the back of the body. It works, but has two drawbacks too, because it looks a bit ugly, and it's hard to get the center of gravity right, and also it interferes with the thumb when on the back of the neck when play. So I came up with my own solution, which is made from a piece of scrap metal I found in my front yard. Someday somebody screw an old traffic sign in there. It's made of 2 or 2.5 millimeters aluminum, and it made the right material for this. So I reused that stuff and cut a part that looks like this. I just followed the contour of the neck here and then added this part. This is about 12 centimeters long and in an angle here. It's not so far away that it doesn't go into the gig bag anymore. It still fits in the gig bag, but it also leaves some space here, which is important to me. So if you look at it from the top of the bass, like this, you can see it's bent a bit here. The whole thing is basically flat, but here is the bend to put the attachment point right into the center line of the bass. So now, hands off, it hangs well centered and balanced in front of my body, and it doesn't tilt over anymore like it did with the original attachment point here at the back. So it's very relaxed, and while the do-it-yourself solution with the spanner, where they always have something sticking out right here, but with my solution I can still move the thumb on the back of the neck here to access the higher notes. So it doesn't interfere with my playing in any way. Half an hour of work, about a few cents for one additional screw I had to put here, and one screw I had to use here for reusing the original strap attachment. So well, that was well worth it. The instrument has become more balanced, more enjoyable to play, and it was, as I said, it was about half an hour of work. A bit black spray from a can, and then put together, and it worked right away. So if you're in doubt, trying or not, I think it's worth it. Highly recommended. And then have fun. Bye.